Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, and welcome to my newest listing in the beautiful neighborhood of Old Hunt Club. You will love that this home features a beautiful in-ground pool and a backyard that is meant for entertaining. This home features 3 bedrooms on the upper level, but on the main floor, in addition to a large open living and dining space, you have 2 separate rooms that would work great as a home office, a kid's playroom, or as guest bedrooms. The basement is also fully finished for that overflow family space. If you have any questions about this beautiful family home in a beautiful family neighborhood, please feel free to reach out and book your private showing today. Thanks for watching.